Welcome back to Dualsighted. We're back. Elon Musk, we got a problem. Jeff Bezos is apparently reportedly going to space. You know, the 57-year-old man worth a whopping 186.2 billion. You know, who can thank Amazon for that fortune? You know, he's flying alongside his brother on the first crewed flight of the, New Shepard, which, is the rocket ship made, by his space company, which is called the Blue Origin. And, the takeoff is scheduled for July 20th, which is just 15 days after he's, to resign, he's scheduled to resign as CEO of Amazon, which although he'll
resign.
Yeah, so he'll step down, but he's still going to be involved with Amazon, but, he's not going to be directly influencing their, decisions and all that, but he's going to be involved with it, which he helped create Amazon in 1994. On Instagram, Bezos posted a video, with the caption that read, "Ever since I was 5 years old, I've dreamed of traveling to space. On July 20th, I will take that journey with my brother, the greatest adventure with my best friend." And then, if nothing gets canceled or pushed back, Bezos will be the first, of the billionaires, to experience a, ride into space, into a rocket, which he's poured millions upon millions of his own, money onto building, and not even, if you were to think of some other billionaire to go into space before Bezos, who would you think?
Definitely Elon Musk.
Which I thought Musk was going to be the first, but not even Musk, who's obviously, he's with SpaceX.
Either him or Kanye.
Yeah. He's obviously with SpaceX. He creates the rockets, powerful enough to orbit around the Earth, which, he's eventually going to get up there. But, July 20th, I don't think he has any schedules to, any plans to go up into space like, Mr. Bezos does. But, back to the Blue Origins, their flight will include a 6-seater capsule, and a 59-foot rocket ride. Takeoff will head toward the edge of the space on an 11-minute flight, and that'll equate to about 60 miles above the Earth, above the Earth from space. And to give some backstory of Blue Origin, it was founded by Bezos in 2000, and they've been conducting more than a dozen test flights. Obviously, no one knows much about it. It's done in secret. And they do this in their facility in Texas, and they've been doing this for 6 years of extensive and highly secretive training and testing of the rockets, which is, obviously 6 years before the July 20th date of the scheduled takeoff. Blue Origin, has yet to announce the regular set price of the regular tickets of each seat. They just gave one seat away on auction, and, guess what it was listed at?
Definitely above $1 million.
Yeah, it started at 2.8 million on Monday morning, and it went up all the way to 3.2 million after they announced it. So you got to be a billionaire to be spending that type of money, huh?
Yeah.
Like, there's no way not even a millionaire. You trust that this is a safe,
Well, it's just going to space. It's not going to the moon or something.
No, it just says it's going to space from what
60 miles above Earth. I don't know.
I don't think that's worth it, to be honest.
If you're at that point, just go to the moon. If you're just going to go 60 miles above Earth, I don't know.
You will see who that is. I'm curious to see who that winner is, and just to see the whole reaction.
You would do that for 11 minutes, huh? If it was like free.
Yeah, if it was free, yeah, for sure. That'd actually be fun.
I don't know about a rocket though.
Why? You don't think it's safe? I think it's safe for sure.
Heck.
Get me on the same.
Yeah, if you get in this,
I'd
if
rather
you get in the same one as him, maybe you feel safer.
Even if we come down, crumbling down on the, falling down to the surface of Earth, I'll still feel safe with him.
Of course, his name will come up and come first in the news.
Yeah, that's fine as long as he gives the settlement money, to the family, leaving them behind. So once again, another crazy headline, another story. Elon Musk, you got to get your stuff together. Jeff Bezos passing you up. I think he passed him up in the richest person at one point, huh?
Yeah, I think he is, isn't he?
And then Musk, for sure, before he got divorced, and then his ex-wife took took half of it. So I mean, I think Musk overtook that
I
recently.
think Bezos is number 2 right now.
He was number
According
one.
to Forbes, it's Bernard Arnault and family.
Oh yeah, that's right. So I mean, Musk got to pick it up first. The net worth, the Forbes on that you get passed up by. You're not number one on Bezos, and then you're not number one on going to space. He's gotta figure something out. So once again, you guys are watching Dualsighted. Follow us on Dualsighted down below, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Comment down below your thoughts, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.